Hey guys, I'm obviously recording this, after I got home. I just want to say before I show you guys the country roads footage, I just want to say I did not film it that good, and I was definitely talking a lot because it was, so basically, I got on Canyon Falls, the log flume. It started raining, so then we had to get off, and then I went straight to the show to film, and then during country roads, they started closing the monorail, and it was packed up there. So everybody was leaving, and I was looking. And then Andrew and Dan came up there. And I wanted to stop recording so I could get the DVD. But, I really like country roads, so I wanted to get the whole thing on video. So basically, I kept, turning around, talking. And I wasn't really, aiming the camera that good. So if you see, the video ends, right at the end of the song, and it doesn't play the end dialogue of Country Roads, that's because I stopped it to go to get the DVD. So yeah, since it's raining, I'm gonna put that in, and we're gonna do Country Roads. Yo, they're closing the monorail too.
Howdy, folks. Y'all having a good time?
So having a good time.
Gee, this is a wonderland of places. No, Tony. This is a wonderland of beer.
And a wonderland place too.
Right on. And folks, here's a song about another place that's a different kind of wonderland.
Almost heaven, West Virginia. There is mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, rolling like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place.
Oh, my fingers.
I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky.
They just closed the monorail while I was filming.
Teardrops in my eyes, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country road. I hear a voice in the morning, I Chicago. Radio reminds me of the home away.
God, Andrew and Dan are up here.
Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, down country roads.
Gee, thanks, Bubba. But every time I sing that song,